All right, number 4. So these triangles are similar. So that means we can set up proportion. Okay? So I can do 4.8 over 19.2 is equal to 5.2 over x. I can do that. I can also do 5.2 over x. So let's talk about the different ways that we can solve this. Because of the angles, I can talk about this angle over that angle. I can also talk about this angle over that angle. And then I have to set it equal to this angle over that angle. Okay, or that side over that side. Those are all different ways to set up proportions. So I'm going to, just to make my life easier, I'm going to do 4.8 over, so this side, 19.2 is equal to 5.2 over x. Again, I'm going to cross product. So then that's going to give me 4.8x is equal to 19.2 times 5.2, which will give me 99.84. I'm going to divide both sides by 4.8. So then this will become x and divide by 4.8. That will give me x is equal to 2.8. Do not just leave this as your answer. That's not the answer. That 99.84 divided by 4.8, that's not fully simplified. Your answer should be x is equal to 2.08. You can't have a decimal and a fraction. You have two fractions. That's not an answer. All right. Number 5. It says a tree cast a shadow 30.5 foot shadow. So we have tree. So I'm going to draw a tree just to make it easy. All right. This is my tree. All right, my tree, blah blah. All right, here, let's draw a pretty tree. We'll draw a pretty tree. I may not be drawing anything because it's not behaving. Come on. Okay, I'm not going to draw anything. I'm going to move on. We'll just erase it. All right, so I'm going to draw a pretty tree. So I got my tree. This is my tree. All right, and the tree casts a shadow. So this is my shadow. All right, if I look at my shadow, it's right here. And the shadow is going to be 30 feet long. 30 feet here. And this makes a triangle, the height of the tree. So this is h. All right. And then next to the tree, we have a little boy. So I'm going to draw a little boy. All right, he's got little hands. All right, this is his legs. All right, he's got a skirt. That's all right. And he also cast a shadow. So this is his shadow here. And the boy's casting a 24-foot shadow. Hey, it can happen. And the boy is 3 feet tall. All right. Well, just like the triangles below, I can do h over the height of the tree over the height of the boy is equal to the length of the shadow over the length of the boy's shadow. So let's do that. So we're going to do height of the tree over the boy's height, so that's 3 feet, is equal to the length of the shadow in the tree over the length of the shadow in the boy. Just like before, cross products. Okay, so that's going to be h24. Let's do this correctly. That should be 24h is equal to 30 times 3 will give us 90. We're going to divide by 24, divide by 24. So then h is going to be 90 divided by 24 will give us 3.75. So the height of the tree is 3.8 feet. So it's a really short tree. That's okay. We have really short trees. That can happen. All right. That is our answer. 3.8 feet. All right. Number 6. It says online music club sells compact discs for $9.99 each, plus $1.95 shipping and handling. Per order, the total bill is $101.85. Listen, I'm going to circle my key info. This is each, so that's going to be X. It says plus, so I'm going to put a plus there. I'm going to circle the shipping and handling. Then the bill was 101.85. That's the equal. Okay, so I'm going to write equal 101.85. Okay, now that means I'm going to have 999X. We know that we can have, because we can have so many CDs, we can buy more than one CD, right? Well, if I buy from Amazon, I buy 2 CDs from Amazon and want Amazon to ship it to me, they're going to ship it in one shipment. That one shipment is going to be $195. So that my variable is only going to belong with the $9.99. If this had said $195 shipping each CD, then that would be each. And that would also be X, right? So since it doesn't have that, since it just says shipping and handling per order, then we know that that's just going to be our constant value, and we can solve. We're going to solve for X. We're going to isolate the X. We're going to divide minus 195. That's going to give me, I'm going to write that down and continue on that on the next page. Let me write it over here on the side. So that's going to give me 999. X is equal to 101.85 minus 1.95 will give me 99.9. If I divide both sides by 999, X is going to be equal to 10. So I can buy 10 CDs. All right? I will do 7, 8, and 9, and 10 on the next video.